Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository on GitHub. So this is very easy to do. Once you're inside your account, you can go ahead and click create repository on the left hand side. And if you're not able to see this, you can also find this within the settings as well. So I'm going to show you. Click your account on the upper right hand side, go to settings. And if you scroll down on the left hand side, you will find repositories. And from here, you will see existing repositories, or you can simply click and create one from here. And that's going to basically take you over here. Now, it's the same thing as I said. If you're on the home page, you can simply click on create repository and it's going to take you right here. Now, all you have to do is just give your repository a name. I'm going to call this one Drew, for example. And as you can see, it's available. If it is not available, then you just need to find a different name to give that. Right? Description, you can call it whatever you want. In the case of this, I'm going to call this one Drew Tutorial as an example. You have up to 350 characters to really add there. And so you can just give it a bit more meaningful description as you wish. You can choose if you want to make it private or public. Let's say I'm going to make this one private for now. I'm going to leave it as that. Now from here, we can go ahead and you can choose to add README. It's really up to you if you want to do that. Let's turn that on, for example. And here you can see it says ada.gitinur. You can choose. Here it has other things such as Android or whatever it is. You have a ton. You can choose C++. You can do whatever it is, right? So just basically tells Git which files not to track, right? And as you can see, the description is there. So I'm going to just leave it as that no, right? So for example, the license as well, you can choose, as you can see right here, you can choose if you want to add license or something. There are a bunch of them there that you can select from as well. But for the purpose, I'm going to just leave it as is. And then all you have to do is simply click and create the repository. Now remember that this one is private. And so in order to change it in a later point in time, you can always edit it and change it. Now this is my repository, guys. As you can see, and up here it shows that it's private. And if you would like to learn more about GitHub, you can check out the playlist in this video, or you can always go back and set this to public. I'm going to show you in more videos to come how you can edit your repository if you want to do that at any point in time. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.